When considering WebHostingPad for your website, there are 12 important things you need to know before buying. While it's an affordable option, you'll want to know how it compares to other hosting providers and whether it's the right fit for you. Let's dive in. First thing, WebHostingPad offers low introductory pricing, but keep in mind that after the initial period, their renewal prices can be significantly higher. So, it's important to factor in the long-term cost, especially when compared to competitors like Bluehost or HostGator, who also offer affordable rates but may provide better pricing stability. Next thing, performance and uptime. WebHostingPad promises 99.9% uptime, but some user reviews suggest that their service occasionally falls short. When compared to industry leaders like SiteGround or A2 Hosting, who consistently deliver faster speeds and more reliable uptime, you might want to consider your priorities in terms of performance. The third thing, customer support. WebHostingPad has 24/7 support via phone, chat, and email. While they do have responsive support, it's not as highly rated as some competitors. For example, Bluehost offers better customer service with faster response times, and SiteGround is known for its top-tier support that goes the extra mile for users. Next thing, user interface and ease of use. WebHostingPad's cPanel interface is straightforward, making it accessible for beginners. However, other hosts like DreamHost offer more user-friendly dashboards and website builders, which could be a deciding factor if you're a newbie looking for ease of use. The fifth thing, free website builder. WebHostingPad offers a free drag-and-drop website builder, but it's not as advanced or versatile as tools like Wix or Squarespace. If you're looking for more customization or an intuitive design experience, you might find other options more satisfying. Next, their security features. WebHostingPad includes free SSL certificates, which is essential for securing your website. However, their security tools are not as comprehensive as what you'd find with providers like SiteGround, who offer more robust security features like daily backups and proactive monitoring. The seventh thing, storage and bandwidth. WebHostingPad offers unlimited disk space and bandwidth, but as with many hosts, they have limitations on unlimited resources in terms of fair use. Competitors like A2 Hosting provide better flexibility when it comes to performance-heavy websites with high traffic. Next thing, email hosting. WebHostingPad does provide email hosting, but the features are fairly basic compared to services like G Suite or Office 365. If having an advanced email setup is important for your business, you may need to look for another option that integrates better with professional tools. The ninth thing, money-back guarantee. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is standard in the industry. But some competitors, such as HostGator, offer longer trial periods, giving you more time to test out their services. Next thing, backup options. WebHostingPad provides free backups, but they're not as frequent as other hosts. For example, A2 Hosting offers automatic daily backups, which can be a lifesaver if you accidentally lose your website data. The 11th thing, SEO features. While WebHostingPad includes basic SEO tools, it lacks some of the advanced features you'll find with other providers like Bluehost or SiteGround, who offer built-in SEO tools to help your website rank higher on search engines. Finally, the last thing, WebHostingPad's scalability. While their plans are affordable, if your website grows quickly, you may find that WebHostingPad doesn't offer the same flexibility and resources as bigger players like HostGator or InMotion Hosting. So, if you anticipate major growth, it may be worth considering more scalable hosting options. WebHostingPad is a solid option for beginners or those on a tight budget, but it does have its limitations in comparison to industry leaders. If you're looking for a more reliable, feature-packed solution, check out our recommended host. You can try it for free and see how it compares for your needs.